All right, we in here, finna pull the steering wheel off and change this old raggedy key switch right here. All right, got my hand extended steering wheel puller. Pull that off. Now we're to this point, we're gonna pop this plastic piece out and see what we got next. Okay, got that little painy ass clip out of there. Now we gotta unscrew these screws here, and this blinker switch comes out. Okay, now we got all the screws out of the signal switch and everything inside. Right inside there, a little 8mm screw right there. 8mm bolt, you take that out right there. 8mm bolt right there. I don't think you can see my finger pointing at it. 8mm bolt right there, take that out, and this key switch should come out. Okay, got that little bolt out. Like a little bolt with the little shaft on it. And that's how this comes out. So now we should be able to slide that out. All right, now we're gonna change this old dusty, rusty key that didn't lock anyway, because I think that's sheared off right there. Right there, I think it's why it's sheared off, but I'm gonna change the old rusty, dusty key out. Yep, there it is. Hang on tight. Key part number is a Dorman 924-790. Initial lock cylinder key kit. It comes with keys and everything. Okay, got the switch back together. What I'm gonna do now, if I do anything, is I'm gonna doll this up real quick. Clean all this up, doll this up. Got a new switch on the way. Okay, cleaned it up a little bit. We finished it. Made it nice and shiny. And I got another little trick I'm gonna do to it. Got a new switch coming. Finally got this painy ass pin back in. I had to do a makeshift tool to make it work. I got tired of playing with it, so I made the makeshift tool they wanted $30 for. And bumped that. I had a piece of 3/16, 2 holes in already. Made it slot. Yep. Necessity is the mother of all inventions. So there you go, y'all.